Hi. Today I will show you how to delete empty or unwanted pages in a PDF file. Open your browser and go to the page shown on the screen. Click Select PDF File, and find your PDF file on your computer. After your PDF file is uploaded, you will have previews of your pages. Click on the pages you want to delete. You will get an X sign on selected pages. After you are done, click the button Remove Pages. Click Download PDF. As you can see, selected pages were deleted. Your PDF file is usually downloaded in your Downloads folder, so navigate there.